Hey, welcome to Carp's Workshop. Today we're going to be building this flag. All the information and the link for the Etsy shop will be down below in the description. And enjoy the video. Today we're doing a wooden flag. I want to give a shout out to 731 Woodworks. I watched his video and he was the one who pretty much gave me the instructions on how to do this wooden flag. I built probably about 4 or 5 of them now. So what we're going to start out doing is we're going to do the cuts that we have. So we're going to do what we have here. We're going to do 6 1.5" at 37, and we're going to do 7 1.5" at 22.5, and then the union is going to be 14.5 by 10 5/8 tall, and then we're going to have 4 strips that are 1.5 inch and they're 18.5 inch tall for the back of the flag. So let's get started on the cuts. 6 to 37 is what we're going to do. So we can get two strips out of this. We get 2 strips out of this. 2, 4, 6 at 37. So we're going to mark this 37 each time. So 37. 4. Square edge on this.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You see that you're leaving me, the same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully, we won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slim.
Okay, we have all our strips here. I have 6 for the one and then 7 for the other. I'm gonna rip them down all to 1.5 inches on the table saw here. So let's get going.
Lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky.
So the next step is I'm going to put an edge on all of the stripes is what I'm going to do. So I built a router inlet here for my table, and I'm going to do a test strip is what I'm going to do. And like I said, I'm just going to put a knockoff on this. So I'm going to adjust this up so I have what I need. And we're going to do a test strip. Perfect. built this, my fence. I built this little fence to connect to, so I have a vacuum, so not so much dust. I use this, do this by hand rather than the fence. It just goes a lot quicker. So it's going to get a little noisy in here, so I'll fast forward through this with the time lapse.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You say that you're leaving me, the same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully, we won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally, there's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me.
All right, so the next step, I've got all those built and got them all cut down. There you go. There we go. That's the unit where the stripes are going to go. And then I've got all that taken care of as far as the stripes are concerned. Got one extra one, so I rounded them all off. So that's what's going to look like when I put it all together. And then I'm going to take this down to probably 120 grit, and then 280, and then we'll stain.
Tonight, under the stars.
All right, so there we go. Got it all sanded, looking good. And now what I'm going to do, the same thing that T said before, what I'm going to do is mark these red, white. So I'm going to go red, white, red. I'm just going to pencil it on the back of them. And I'm going to stain all these. Once I get these stained, I'll do a time lapse on a stain as well. And there goes my light. All right, got them all. Started with stain. Stain I'm using is Minwax stain, color tint base. So we'll do the red. Whoop, forgot my hand. Ow! That hurt. All right, we got the red. We got the white over here, and we're going to do the blue. So the blue, just make sure this is all Minwax. I will put the colors in the description below. That way you have them. And again, I'm doing 2 coats on all of this. So here we go with blue. Okay, we're putting the stars on now. And I am using spray adhesive is what I'm using. So what I'm doing is I'm taping this off and I'm gonna put the spray adhesive on the bottom of this so it sticks nice and tight, and we'll get the spraying.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know what it takes.
All right, now we're gonna put the flag together. I'm gonna put a bead of glue. Put a bead of glue on the very top here. Not much, just a little glue on top so it doesn't spew out. My fault. There. What I'll do is I'll time lapse this.
I didn't realize the
Alright.
bow I was putting into it.
We're just gonna let that sit and dry. And
When I put it all together, I put weight on the top of it as well to keep it in place.
okay, doing the stars again. I had to restain. I'm using the adhesive. I'm gonna throw that on there.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find.
Hopefully this turned out perfect. Here we go. I got a little bit stuck on there, but looks great. Okay, next step is the stencil for the baseball catcher. A little bit, I'll show you. Stars are done, so I'm doing the catcher next. Okay, trying a different paint. See that? Flat protective enamel. So we'll give this a go. See how it goes.
Under the stars up in the sky.
Oh, turned out great. I got to epoxy it now.